Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to play PSP games on Android with the help of emulator. If you don't know about emulator, let me tell you that an emulator is software program that allows you to play classic console games directly on your Android device. Even if you have 2GB, 3GB or 4GB of RAM, you can still play it. To run PSP games, one of the best emulator is Ppsspp Emulators. It is a very simple to set up in this emulator. So before starting this video, if you are interested in gaming content, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. Alright friends, now our setup process is going to start, so don't skip this video and watch till the end. At the end you will completely install on your device. So without wasting on your time, let's get started the amazing video.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still.
Guys, our installation is completely done. Now let's enjoy the game, and if you face any issue in the part of installation, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to help. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Light it up.
Gotta see if anyone's trapped in here. Then I can find out who's responsible for this mess.
You won't get past us, Spider-Man! like a bad habit.
I'm the best there is at what I do. At least the people still living after I'm done doing it say that.
I'm disappointed, Logan. But everything will be okay.
Vilcabamba continues to elude us, and my insistence that we press on in spite of these failures has morale low. I suspect Jenkins to be the author of this sedition. He simply refuses to accept the possibility that Atlantis is the foundation upon which all known civilizations were built. Increasingly, I find it is Lara alone who remains untainted by academic dogma and open-minded enough to see this truth.
¡Lo siento! No traje bastante cuerda.
Not to worry. I'll find another